Get More Math offers an administrator's observation checklist to make sure that your teachers are great Get More Math teachers. In using this checklist, keep in mind you won't see all of these happening in the same observation. These are things you'll see throughout the school year. Great Get More Math teachers will begin class with mixed review. Mixed review is the powerful spiral practice that makes the math stick. The practice that cements the concepts that teachers work so hard for students to master. Notice this teacher's screen. All the students are working in mixed review. This warm-up activity is individualized practice for each student. Get More Math ensures that each student practices exactly what the student needs to practice. The heavy lifting of prioritizing practice for students is done by Get More Math. Teachers don't have to create numerous warm-ups for each student. Get More Math has handled the individualization. Observing these students' screens with the mini squares showing, show these students have been working in Get More Math for several months and are retaining the concepts. You'll know this, as will the students and the teacher, by the colors of the squares. Those green, silver star, and gold star squares are showing that students are retaining the skills over time. Get More Math teachers will execute an engaging lesson and utilize formative assessment techniques as well. One of those formative assessment techniques could include gradual release to independent practice. In a Get More Math classroom, you may see a teacher using Get More Math as guided practice with students, displaying answers on dry erase boards or shared whiteboards. The students who grasp the concepts quickly are gradually released to independent practice. Other students who may need more help are still working in guided practice with the teacher. This chart shows one of the many ways that GMM allows for differentiation in the classroom. Great Get More Math teachers will demonstrate proper entry techniques on Get More Math problems. You'll see teachers display from their teacher account how to enter the answers to problems, or perhaps you'll see teachers use a fake student to display proper entry techniques during their guided practice time as well. Great Get More Math teachers will utilize formative assessment to drive instruction and differentiation. They'll actively monitor current status in student screens, require students to show work, provide small group instruction for those students in need of intervention, address students whose time since correct is too high, provide students with positive reinforcement verbally or by in-app messaging, and provide hints for those students requesting help. As an observer, you'll watch teachers actively monitor student progress. From current status, teachers know which students understand today's concepts and which students do not. The number of points earned and the time since correct allow teachers to assess students while they're working. Teachers do not have to wait until a student finishes an assignment to know how the student is doing. Teachers can pull small groups to intervene for struggling students and can address any students whose time since correct is too high. Teachers can offer positive encouragement as well as help to students. And while Get More Math is an online program, students must still work their problems. You'll see that most teachers have students show work on paper or digital whiteboards. Some teachers even have Get More Math journals for students to show work. Then when students raise their electronic hand and ask for help, the teachers can look at that work in addition to offering hints as they can see that current problem. From monitoring current status, this teacher is able to see those students who might not grasp today's concept or are taking too long to answer problems and can pull those students into that small group and intervene immediately. Great Get More Math teachers will set a daily goal larger than the assignment goal and ensure all students are working in mixed review with class time remaining. When teachers set the goal, they'll include those points from the assignment and points from mixed review. Remember, mixed review points are ensuring that the math sticks, so teachers set that daily goal to include both types of points. Teachers will also use the Switch to Mixed Review button with class time remaining. Even if students do not complete the assignment, teachers will switch the class to mixed review. The skills from today's assignment are in mixed review, so the students will practice today's skills and work to retain progress on previously learned skills as well. Great Get More Math teachers will encourage students to help one another. In Get More Math, the problems are dynamically generated, so students do not have the same problems as one another or see their same problems over again. Great Get More Math teachers will implement motivational strategies to encourage students. Get More Math offers incentives that other teachers have tried, and these teachers may even ask for your help with these incentives and contests. Great Get More Math teachers will encourage students to monitor their own progress. Since students can monitor their progress in Get More Math, teachers will conference with students to discuss progress and set goals, and could even use Get More Math's templates to encourage this monitoring. Great Get More Math teachers frequently review points distribution, rotation time, and proficiency to make informed decisions and ensure long-term retention of skills. Great Get More Math teachers will collaborate with vertical and horizontal teams. Get More Math teachers use the Colleagues and My Work button to copy assignments, exams, and even folders from those teachers within the same campus or in the same district. Great Get More Math teachers will continue to investigate professional learning opportunities to improve their knowledge of Get More Math. Get More Math does offer online video chats, webinars, and other tools to allow teachers to improve their knowledge of Get More Math. In conclusion, you'll see Get More Math teachers using Get More Math as a warm-up, then have an engaging lesson, use Get More Math as guided practice, use an assignment, and then have students working in mixed review while using formative assessment strategies and providing differentiation throughout the day. More Math's mixed review makes all the difference for long-term retention. It makes that math stick.